Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen, and today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing, which is always so much fun. Now this one I'm excited about because I asked for something I wouldn't normally ask for, but I asked for a jumpsuit. If you saw my couple trend sends ago, so you've been around for a while and you saw a couple trend sends ago, I had gone into an Ever Ink store when they were still open and did a styling session with my Trendsen stylist, and we ended up on this like whole jumpsuit path, and there were several jumpsuits that it's like, this is cute, this is comfortable, this fits well, it looks good, why not be a jumpsuit person? So at that point I decided I was a jumpsuit person and I bought one, but it's a kind of a dressy jumpsuit, and while it can be dressed down, I haven't really had a chance to wear it yet, so I thought, well, maybe I need a more jumpsuit variety. I need to get a few more, and maybe some will be more dressed down, some will be dressy, but I don't know. I'm interested in the jumpsuit, so that's what I asked for, a jumpsuit and pieces to wear with it. So let's check this box out and see what's in it. I probably should have been talking about that while I was opening this box up, but I was just excited to talk about jumpsuits. So I feel like it's been a long time since I've gotten a Stitch Fix box. I think with everything that's going on right now, they're not cranking them out as quickly as they were before. So you just got to be a little bit more patient. So I completely understand that. And there appears to be shoes in here. So for obvious reasons, let's start there. All right, this is by Report, and it is a heeled mule shoe. And it's not even my right size. It's a 6.5 and I am a 6. Especially in heels. I almost sometimes feel like with a heel I need to go down to like a 5.5. So, okay, I'm a little surprised these are not the right size, but that's okay. Maybe there's a reason for that. But these are cute, very cute. I like them. I'm excited to try those on. Okay, now let's dig into this bundle. I see a lot of like mauve, and I'm not mad at it. Okay, cool. All right, let's start at the top here. And this, my friends, is a jumpsuit. And I'm glad it's not a floral. It's just a simple stripe. Has kind of this wrap top to it. It's probably a crop. Let's see what it's called. This is the KAILEIGH Rica knit crop jumpsuit. So that's, you know, a petite person like me typically needs a crop unless it's actually a petite jumpsuit. Has this kind of tie here. That seems mostly decorative. I guess you can cinch it a little bit, but it's mostly decorative. And there you go, the wide leg pants. So I am excited to try that on. I'm always a little wary of kind of like a wrap top because I tend to not fill them out spectacularly. And I kind of more like a skinny leg, even maybe elastic around almost like a jogger leg jumpsuit. But I am happy to try this. Next up, we have a 3/4 sleeve shirt. This is by CLOVER. This is the Kamie button back knit top in olive. Oh, I couldn't even tell. But yeah, that's kind of an olive and an off-white, I think. It's got kind of a cuff here, 3/4, and then I always enjoy a button back detail. So I like this as a spring option for, even fall option for, you know, getting to rock a 3/4, but this is actually a decent thickness, and so that's actually kind of my thing because I'm always cold, so I actually like that. So now we have this cardigan. This is by PINQUE. It is the Andrina 2-pocket textured cardigan in dark pink. Okay, this looks, it's an extra small, but it looks rather wide, I would say, but maybe that's just, looks like it's more of an oversized type sweater. So I like it, but I'm guessing I'm not going to be in love with it. I do like that it has pockets. Again, I need to think of this when it comes to working from home for who knows how long. I feel like they're not going to be rushing us back to work here even as the economy reopens. So I still continue to, you know, find myself in some nice slouchy sweaters and cardigans and things like that. Ooh, and then we have a jacket, which is always exciting. This is by COFFEESHOP. It is the Valle Faux Suede jacket in blush, which I absolutely love blush, and I fully embrace the idea of a blush jacket. And I would be a lot more excited about this if it was a petite, because we can all recognize that me and jackets don't tend to work out unless they're like extra, extra small or petite or something like that. But really cute jacket. So I like it, and I am excited to try this stuff on. So let's get to it. Okay, so here are 3 of the pieces. Let's start at the bottom. The shoes I think are super cute. Style-wise, I really, really like them, and I could see myself wearing them quite a bit. They are, however, a little bit too big. My stylist didn't say anything in her note about these running small or anything like that, so my guess is it was just a mistake. So if I want to keep these, I will probably size down. Hopefully they will have that available. All right, so the jacket, again, is a little bit big. Unfortunately, with Stitch Fix, I have not been able to get petite jackets that are in my price point. So I think that's why they're not sending it. I've requested petite a few times, but I just think they probably have them, but I'd probably have to pay like $300 for them or something. So yeah, that's disappointing. But the jacket is cute. It's really, really cute, but it's just, it needed to be a petite to be a good fit on me. Especially, look at those sleeves. They're just ridiculous on me. And these are not, it's not quite a jacket that's super good for like a scrunch up or anything like that. Because there are some styles that have kind of more of a tighter, stretchy arm that you can actually just do a little bit of a scrunch up, which is cute, but this is not one of them in my opinions. So yeah, the jumpsuit I like quite a bit. Let's go ahead and take this jacket off so you guys can see it. Yeah, I think the jumpsuit is super cute. I have no issues up here with kind of the wrap style. I feel like it's decently modest. It's not going down too low, and I don't feel like I have lots of extra fabric. So I am quite pleased with this. And you know, I never know how I feel about like a wide leg crop, you know, but I think I'm okay with it. I think I like it. I like the detail here. I like the pockets. It's all very comfortable. It feels good. Feels good. Here's your 360. What do you guys think? I will have this video be posted before I do my returns, so opinions appreciated. All right, let's go to the next piece. Okay, so I have the 3/4 sleeve top on now, and I think it is cute. I like it. I would wear it. I can see myself wearing it. It wasn't particularly soft inside of it. It's almost a little scratchy. I don't know if you guys can see that material there, but it's actually not the world's softest material, so that's a little bit disappointing. But I mean, I like it. I like the button down back detail. I think that's always cute. So this may be just a matter of price, though. Usually people tell me that when I'm not completely excited about something, I probably shouldn't keep it. And you know what? They're usually right. But I don't know, I still think about it. So, okay, let's do the cardigan next. Okay, so the cardigan, I like it. It's not too oversized and slouchy as I feared. I don't know, I mean, I feel okay in it. I like the pockets. I just have a lot of cardigan sweaters, so I don't know that there's anything about this when I put it on that's like, ah, yes, it's perfect. I do like the cozy slouchy feel, but again, on the fence with this piece too. So I think everything's probably going to come down to price and your guys' opinion on things. And yes, if you happen to notice tags, I am crossing boxes here. I am got a little bit of trunk club going on, so spoiler alert, sorry. But I don't know, let's see, let's do the prices. Okay, let's do this from the top of the list, work my way down. From Report Footwear, this is the Toni Mule Heel Bootie, and it is $60. So not a bad price. And I'm highly considering keeping these. Now it says size 6 here, and what I got was 6.5. So clearly that was a mistake. Mystery solved. And $60 is not a bad price, and I found myself, I used these pairs, I filmed 3 videos, and I used these pair in the try-on for all 3 videos. So I think that tells you something. I think I would reach for these a decent amount. So potentially a keeper. Then we have the pink Andrina 2-pocket textured cardigan, and it is $44. I like it. I just think I probably wasn't as excited about it enough to keep it. I looked at it in the mirror a little bit closer and I was just like, eh. So I think that's not a keeper. Then we have the pink clover Kamie button back knit top and $38, which is a great price. But again, I'm gonna go with my lack of excitement. Probably takes this out of my. I like it. I have no single complaint to it other than just not that excited about it. Then we have the jumpsuit. This is the KAILEIGH Rica knit crop jumpsuit, and it is $58, which is not bad. I expected it to be more than that. This one I'm on the fence about. I like it. I don't know just how often I reach for it. I know I asked for a jumpsuit and I got exactly what I asked for, so I don't know, guys. Help me. Help me make decisions. All right, then we have the COFFEESHOP Valle Faux Suede jacket. It is $78. So, oh, not gonna keep this. It was too big. I love blush though. I was really happy with the blush jacket. Just, you know, needs to fit. So the total for the entire box is $278. The buy all discount is $69.50. So if you take that off, then the total is $208.50. I think it doesn't list any credit here. I think I do have credit from my husband using the $50 credit link. So I should have a little bit of credit. And if you haven't watched the video where we do his unboxing, that was just posted last week. Go check that out. That was fun. So, and I think why I thought it was so much fun was just like he was not into it. He was not a believer whatsoever, and he is just like completely sold after one box. So, welcome to my world, Dave. Welcome to my world. Anyways. So I'd love to get your guys' opinions. I think the shoes are a yes for me and the jumpsuit's a maybe. So maybe I should just keep the shoes. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That would be greatly appreciated. Again, I will get this posted before I make a decision. So you guys will help me decide. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.